Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
The market.
Man, I don't think you can see me at all. If you can't see me, it's all good. Hey, your boy's a little tired too. But getting the last bit of everything together. Reef is on the way. He should be here probably in like 20-30 minutes. I'm just trying to make sure I'm prepared. And then we're gonna get this. What am I talking about? Bro, I'm sleepy. Then we're gonna get this road trip daggum started, yo. We're heading up to Jersey to meet up with MacMoto TV. MacMoto, I appreciate you for the invite. Got on the shirt from my boy, Mobzilla, my guy. I appreciate you. We're actually getting to New York a little bit later than expected due to some circumstances out of our control. So we gonna need, you know, this 5-6 horsepower in the transit van so we can get up there a little bit faster. But anyway, man, I will check back in with y'all in just a little bit. There we go. Dude, this is much better. Your boy done woke up a little bit. We got some sunlight. Reaper should be pulling up any moment. Once he pulls up, we heading out to New York, baby. Now you're in New York. I can't sing, so that's why I'm doing that. But anyway, man, it's gonna be good. So anyway, keep rocking with your boy. I'll take y'all along on our travels, and y'all can see what happened or what don't happen. Ooh, that's overexposed. This is what happens when you don't have an ND filter, by the way. Look at the sky. That's just horrible. Before I get too far ahead of myself, man, huge shout out to Reaper, man, for coming to scoop your boy up. Last minute effort. Reap helped your boy out. Dudette, it's round 2. It's my turn to drive. We got 7 hours left. It feels like we've been on this trip for daggum ever. But me and Reaper been talking. He been driving. I can't lie, y'all. I fell asleep. I was done. I was toast. Totally toast. But anyway, we gonna get there, man. Keep rocking with you. I know you can't see me, but we just made it in. Our first stop is to get some food. Hey, boy! Our first stop is to get some food. We hitting up Buffalo Wild Wing, bro. When we pulled in, I was like, yo, either we're going to Buffalo or we're going to Red Robin. I was like, don't let one of them be open. And one of them is open. Jack Be Quick, I think, Hey Dario, Mac, Moto, and kicking it with Q might already be in here, but man, we about to get some biddles, man. It's time to eat, bro. You boys hungry. Reaper over there wasting time, boy. Oh. So they just gonna pull up on the bikes like that. Okay. I was in double da with that Brentoon stick on there. Got something. Do you know you got Zoclo? Got the Brentoon studio. Hey, I found Dario's bike.
Like you said, you got
Dario over there. Hey, pimping, you know what I'm saying? Not to be outdone.
Like he got the carbon wheels on there.
Carbon wheels, got the single rotor on there now. Okay, I see you, Dario. Dario always trying to outdo somebody. Oh. Yeah, that's my mic. Oh, what's up, boy? What's up, man? Hey, what's up, little man? What's up, man?
Whoa! I'm sorry, man. I thought this was the bathroom. Sorry.
You good, bro?
I'm back, baby. Hey, what's up, boy? Good to see you, boy. Man, move! My guy. What's going on? Dario. Hey, Dario. What's up, boy? Hey, I seen you out there stunting, boy. I seen you out there. You gonna see it in the video. I see you, boy. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming to New York. You know what I'm saying? I gotta bring him up, man. Oh, this bike feels so good. This bike is so freaking light, bro. This is crazy. I don't know how this picture would look because I don't have.
I just woke up with a whole bunch of motorcycle noise, right? Look.
Look who outside already. These two so excited. Look at Jack. Look at DudeMungus. And they done pulled all the bikes out the trailer, and they already outside. It's 7:30 in the morning. Them boys probably been up since 4 or 5 o'clock, boy, no doubt, I swear. Look at these cats, man. They got the bikes in the triangle.
Hey man, that's just a little behind the scenes action, man. Yo, like what I tell you, like bikes brought us together, but bro, we legit have a good time, man. Hey man, Scrumdiddily. It's always fun, man. The group of guys we got, dude, it's great. Wouldn't trade it for the world. Hey man, keep rocking with your boy. You know what it is. Oneshot, Deadshot, DudeMungus. I filmed this whole thing without my glasses. I don't look cool, I look lame. Got my logo all covered up, hold up. There, boom shakalaka. All right, just imagine everything I just said, but like this. Dude, I've been talking about him for a minute. This is him, right here. Kicking it with Q. Hey, what's up, boy? How you doing, man? What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh, he got his hands full. Oh, back. Oh, that man, that's back. Hey, what up? What's going on? Look, some of y'all might not realize about Q. Q is literally a football player. Like no lie. Like he literally is a football player. Okay, I don't think he played in NFL, but dude, he is huge. Let me just show y'all how big he is. Let me show you how big he is. This is be still. This is how big he is, guys. My head is at his shoulder. Dude, he is huge. I had no idea he was that big.
Your head is at everybody's shoulder.
Hey man, chill man. Anybody ask you, man? Chill man. See, everybody else coming with the short jokes. Hey.
In case y'all ain't know, look how little Jackie. I told you he was little, man. Look at him, man. Look at him. See that? That dude right there? 100 pounds. Oh, you get. Okay. If a man got a little exhausted, you know, he want to stunt on somebody. You know what I'm saying? My God, what's up, boy? Woo! Hey, I heard you this time.
Yeah, I know, right?
I heard you this time.
Look at this freaking lineup. We're gonna go down the line. You already know who this is. I'm teasing you. That's 1 point up. By true performance, killing the game. Who you got over here? Zocalo, probably my favorite S1000 of S1000s in S1000 land. Zocalo with the carbon. You know you're gonna stunt like that. That's just how you're gonna do. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? We out here want some shine too. Don't keep it all to yourself. And then also 2021 CBRR-R RSP, something like that. Then you already know your boy Deadshot. You know, one shot Deadshot. Shadow killing the game. But you see what's going on here. And not to be outdone. With the exclusive V2 content, Mr. Hey Dario. Look at this thing. With this aero exhaust, oh, it sounds so good. Woo. Let me get some pictures for y'all.
Thank you for watching, dude. Namaste. Thank you for watching, dude. Namaste.